Number 2. I have 5, 1, and 3, 4, and I want to find the equation for the line. So I'm just going to write them vertically and take the difference in the y's first, so 1 minus 4, and put it over the difference in the x's. So I'll have 5 minus 3. Now, when you do it this way, remember you always have to take what you decided was the top ordered pair minus the one that's below it. And that's the same thing that we're doing with our variables when we use the formula. So when we do that, I have 1 minus 4, or negative 3, 5 minus 3, or 2, so my slope is negative 3 halves. Now I'm just going to choose one of the two methods I showed you before. If you want to see more the second method, look back for the first problem and look at the videos for that one. So here I have y equals mx plus b, and my m is negative 3 halves, and I don't know my b, but I'll choose one of my ordered pairs, maybe the 3, 4. So then I have 4 for the y equals negative 3 halves times my x, which is a 3, and then plus b, which I don't know. And 3 I should think of as 3 over 1, because then I can multiply those fractions, multiply the numerators, I get negative 9, multiply the denominators, I get a positive 2, plus b equals 4, and then to move that negative 9 halves, I'll have to add 9 halves to both sides. And my next step is going to be 4 plus 9 halves equals b. And I can just use my calculator for that. Four plus and 9, and then the ABC key halves, and I get 8.5. So I'll write that 8 1/2 equals b, and I'd really rather have it as an improper fraction, so I'm going to change that. I have to use my second and my ABC button on this calculator, and I end up with b equals 17 halves, and I much prefer that to the 8.5. So then I'll fill in my y equals mx plus b, and so I have y equals my m, remember, was negative 3 halves x, and then plus b, my b is 17 halves. And so I can put a box around that. That is the equation for the line.